Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I just want to offer a reminder since there's nothing new this week. I'm not going to open a new module, of course, because we have next week as a holiday break. But just as a reminder, this week you need to finish your cover letter, which is a mini assignment, of course, and start building your resume so you have a lot of information to work on next week's material, which would be week after next, starting July 11th. Work on that material under week 4's guidelines. So nothing new this week. I hope you have a great holiday, and I appreciate all the effort that you put into this course so far. Reach out if you have any questions. This week would be a good time, since you have more time, right, to start your APA research, start working on your project. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I'm happy to look over your paper next week. Even if, of course, you want to work on it over the holiday, I'm happy to review it then. So just email it to me and I can edit it for you and send it back, of course, even if it's holiday. Let me know if you need anything. Thanks for all you're doing. Appreciate all the hard work.